Hey guys, my name's Lainey and welcome back to Cook with Lainey. So today I am going to make a very simple and easy smoothie recipe that is high in protein and anti-aging. And I have this every single day. It provides me with loads of protein using the Women's Best Fit Whey protein and collagen, which is anti-aging. Yes, collagen, the key to anti-aging. It helps plump out those depleting collagen stores in the body that we lose as we get older. So, very simple recipe, will take you 2 minutes to prepare and really nice pre-workout treat. Starting off, loads of ice. I've got 50 grams of frozen blueberries, but you can use any other frozen berries. I just like the blueberries, they give it a nice color, they give it a nice flavor. Then we add in our water. I'm not very generous with the water. You can use milk or any dairy-free milk alternatives, but I like to make mine in water. Then we have the True Beauty collagen from Women's Best. Now this is a mango flavor, so it will give quite a fruity flavor. A scoop of this is about 11 to 12 grams. Today I'll be using the peanut butter marshmallow fit whey protein from Women's Best. I have also used the salted toffee pretzel flavor, which works really well. We're doing about a scoop, which is about 20 grams. So here we have it, all in our Nutri-Ninja. You can use any kind of blender. This is going to expand, so we need a big cup. You see here, it's only half full, but this is going to grow and grow and grow as it is blitzed. Now we're just going to blitz it for a minute, and that's it, done. So here we have it. As you see, it has expanded to double its size, and it's pretty thick, and that's the way I like it. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And of course, we have a discount code down below that gets you 10% off Women's Best products if you want to use them. Enjoy!